So put your hands together, who is still the president as of today, President Dion Stout, as he gives us some remarks. Give him some energy, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we like to hear.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so happy to see so many of you here today supporting the Rotary Club of Tortola. I want to thank God for the year that we've had as a club. Despite the pandemic, we're all here to celebrate moving the club forward. Rotarian of the Year 2021 goes to none other than Kenneth Morgan. Kenneth Morgan.
This is very nice. Thank you very much. I'd always been taught and believed that Rotary was a collaborative organization and everybody's effort was just as valuable as everybody else's, but receiving this award tells me that is not true. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Fellow Rotarians, Rotaractors, guests, good evening. It is really a pleasure for me to stand before you tonight to present these very special district awards. I am very pleased to, drum roll, I am very pleased to invite PAG Lorna Smith, as well as past President Ken Morgan and past President Henry Cricky.
This evening, I have the privilege of acknowledging two of the Rotary Club of Tortola's Paul Harris Fellows for this evening. I would like to invite immediate past President Michael Killory. Please give him a warm welcome as he comes forward. And I would also like to invite past President Lynette Harrigan. So these are our two distinguished guests for the evening. Could I invite President Dion and incoming President Ian to help me with the pinning? It gives me great pleasure to present you both with the emblems of appreciation to the Paul Harris recipients. We congratulate and thank you for your commitments to Rotary's common goals of world understanding and peace. Would we please all stand and join in congratulating our newest Paul Harris Fellows, Lynette and Michael.
Incoming President Ian, you've been elected to the office of President of the Rotary Club of Tortola by your members. It is an expression in their confidence in your leadership.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you. Protocol established. Good evening. It's awesome to see so many of you attending this installation dinner in celebration of the accomplishments of the past Rotary year and witnessing the installation of the new board. Winston Churchill stated, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give." We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. We should all strive to make a life, not a living, to give rather than receive, being selfless as we go about our tasks, as we uphold Rotary's mottos of service above self and one profits most who serves best. Thank you.
One of the great privileges of being a Rotarian is sometimes you can give and you can help people around the world, in your community, in your region. So what we are going to do today is raise funds for President Ian's year. He mentioned during his speech, he's raising money for hand wash.